Hi, we're here today in Northeast Portland, and we're in the backyard of a residence. In the corners you can see behind me, there's a large black walnut tree. It started to lift up the corner of the shed in the back, and unfortunately it's time for the tree to be removed. So today we're going to cover the removal process of a black walnut tree out of somebody's backyard.
Alright, now we can see something.
So as you can see, what we're doing is taking off all of the limbwood. That's like the upper bushier parts of the tree. So they're just picking out different sections and lowering those in the street, blocking that all up, chipping off the smaller material, and then the bigger limbwood will be used for firewood before we get into the bigger stuff here a little bit. So we're down to the main sections of the trunk of the tree, as you can see. So it's a little bit too far out for the crane to be able to pick larger pieces of wood. Currently you can do about 2,500 pounds. We need to be able to do about 5,000 pounds. So what we're going to do is a fiddle block. It's a 3-to-1. Blocks are also known as pulleys in layman's term. So we're going to hook that up to the tree, and we're going to cut it at the base and pull it forward. And then once we do that, then the crane will hook his chokers up on the front part of the log and then pull it forward, and then he'll be able to pick larger pieces of wood with more weight.
There we go. Nice. Beauty. Well done, Debbie. Woo.
It was them, not me, dude.
You can go home early if you do. Well, now we have the logs on the trailer. Next step is to take them to the mill, get them off the trailer, and stage them and get them ready to put on the mill and turn them into lumber.